Tour a few wonders here when you don't have your Orboot globe. Tap on any of the highlights to know more.
Howdy, howdy, howdy. I'm Yak from the Himalayas. Oh yes, I'm wild. And yes, I'm the shaggy-haired one. I live in the mountains of Central Asia. I also help you humans in carrying loads and provide milk. How you doing? Meet the giant panda. I love to eat bamboo all the time. I live in the mountainous regions of central China. The forests there are lovely, cool and wet. Do you know we are considered a symbol of peace in China?
Yo, what's up? I am the snub-nosed monkey. Do you know why do I have a snub nose? Well, I live high up in the mountains of central China, and it's freezing cold there. If I had a long nose, it would surely get frostbitten. Oh, hello. I am the pine Marten. I am a mammal from the weasel family with long bushy tails. You can compare my size to a cat. I live across Europe and North America and Central Asia. We are skilled and light-footed climbers, and are arboreal. That is, we spend most of our time on trees.
Stork.
A symbol of goodness, purity, and happiness. Yup, that's me, Stork. I am a large paddling bird, long-legged and with a long neck. In Ukraine, my species is of two types, white and black. I have a tendency to migrate. So, I fly off to warmer places during winter. I live around swamps and wet fields where I eat yummy reptiles, small mammals, insects, fish, and other small amphibians.
Yoo-hoo! Can you hear me? Gray-shanked Duke here. I'm gray, but I have a great number of friends who are also red and black. I have a long tail, as long as I am. Aren't we just beautiful?
Yes, we met last Christmas. I am the Reindeer. I live in northern regions of North America, Europe, and Asia. I have been helping in domestic needs of humans in Europe for 2,000 years. The ones of our kind found free in the wild are called caribou.
Hello, I am the mute Swan, and I'm known for my grace. I am among the heaviest birds in Europe. I am a very, very quiet bird, and you are sure to love the sight of me swimming along with my friends.
No, I'm not the Easter Bunny. I am the mountain hare. Yeah, I know I look like a rabbit, but I live in the wild, and I am a bit bigger than the rabbit. Howdy, partner. I am the Gallic rooster. I can be seen engraved on many coins. Do you know why? It's because I was chosen to represent my country, France. Woof woof, I am the Pharaoh Hound, the national dog of Malta. I am a dog but blessed with grace, power and speed, they say. Oh, how I love to run. And I can hunt down smaller animals like rabbits and cats, but I am very, very friendly and lovable when trained.
Say, what's up? I'm the fennec fox. I am the smallest fox, but unlike other foxes, my large ears are just awesome. They reach up to 6 inches, 15 centimeters, and help me get rid of body heat and keep me cool.
Hello, I am the steppe eagle. My home is dry grasslands, or steppe. You will agree when I say that I am quite a big bird, and very handsome. I am very broad and long wings with a short tail. What up, kiddo? My name is Hoo-Poo. I have a distinctive call which sounds like hoo-poo and is repeated 3 to 5 times whenever I call. Probably why I was named so. I can be found in many places in Africa and Europe. Greetings, my friend. I am the Arabian camel, or the dromedary camel. Just like the letter D has 1 curve, I have 1 hump. My cousin, Bactrian camel, has 2 humps, just like the letter B. Easy to remember, right? I live in the hot deserts in the Middle Eastern regions of Asia.
Yeehaw! Not like I need an introduction, but I am the zebra. Do you know, each of us have our own unique set of stripes, just like you humans have unique fingerprints. We live in the savannas of the southern African continent.